Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So I am getting ready to go for a run right after I make this video. I find that, when you're trading or you're doing whatever, managing multiple businesses, as is the case with me, going for runs just alleviates stress. I could think clearly when I'm on a run. It's really, really great. Exercise in general is awesome. So especially getting out those day trading, emotions and energy. So getting all that out on a run is what I plan on doing after making this video. But first, this was a terrific day, a great day, scalping SPY options, which I'm going to show here in a second, that we called out pretty much to the dollar. I mean, it was a really, really good day. So first, I'll show you guys, we made a little over $100 today, scalping 5 contracts right here. These were my 5 buys for the 445 SPY call options. So this is how I normally do it. If we are trading just over 444, like we were, what I'll do is I'll go in, and that's when I'll buy my contracts long for the move higher. But when we're trading just over 444, I like to play same day options and the first dollar out of the money. So very close to being in the money, but just right there for that next number higher is the way that I trade. So let's say we were at $45.10 and I wanted to take put contracts. I would take the 444s, so the one out of the money, and I would do it that way. So here we were trading at 444. We held that level, which is the reason why I got long the SPY. And I'm going to show you all that in a second. But right, the first out of the money, 5 contracts we bought, and we got filled here at 9:44 a.m. So 14 minutes after the bell. There's no reason to rush any trading. So I waited for my setup to happen to show me that it wanted to set up. I was waiting to see where the institutions were going to be placing all their cash today. And I'll show you in the chart just a second. So 5 contracts at 72 cents. Okay. So you basically have right here about a $350 trade, which is nothing. This is why I love scalping options. If you have a small account, doing this is probably the easiest way, not easy, but it's probably the best way for a small account to gain percentage. We gained today on this trade here 30%. Where can you find gains of 30% in 12 minutes? I scaled out of this position. 956 was my last sell. One here, just taking profit into the move. You never know how far these things are going to go up. When you're trading same day expirations, you want to be very fast because they could come down on you very quickly. So this is not for beginner traders, although, if you're a beginner, I would definitely look into trying to scalp these. Now, this is same day expiration. If you're a beginner, maybe go out a week or so, at least, just to give yourself a little bit more time, because these move, like I said, really quickly. I'm in and out of these. That is my intention. I'm a day trader. I'm a scalp trader. I want to be in and out. So same day expiration for me is totally fine. That's what I'm doing. So this is the move right here. A beautiful move on the SPY. I mean, it's still going right now. But before, I want to show you right here. I mean, it's all just spelled out perfectly on our Discord. So if you want to know what I'm doing, I posted here. So right here, before the market opened, I wrote if 444 holds, or if it gets rebid, if the price drops below it. So a rebid means if the market gets taken down below a level, rebidding it means it's going to come up very fast. So the buyers are going to show me that they mean business today. That's what I mean by saying getting rebid. I wanted to see 444 break off the open and then break back to the upside. That shows me a ton of strength. So that's what we did. Let's see where the institutions are putting their money. Great. So that was before the market opened. And then you guys saw at, let's see, 9. I just want to show you where I got the contract. So right here, 9:44, I call out my trade, my intentions, exactly what I'm doing. I post right here. So if you guys wanted to know and you are a part of our Discord community, you can know exactly when I was getting in. You're not supposed to just be following my trades. Not every trade is going to be a good trade. You have to know even the best traders are still going to be wrong 3 or 4 times out of 10. Picture that. That's 40 wrong trades out of 100. So do not just go and follow anyone blindly. Please learn the strategy yourself. And that's what I'm here for. I want to really, show you guys what I do, what I'm looking at. So 444, that was one of our key levels. Like I said, if you're in our Discord, I post these key levels every single morning before the market, so you know what to look for. 444 is where we opened. We rebid this on tremendous volume. This right here is institutional buying. When you see a move like that, almost $2 in 10 minutes on the SPY, that's institutional money. That is, not us with our small accounts, although we do help out. This is institutions that believe that the correction was over and they're putting money back to work. It's also a very big earnings week. So that's what happened here. We rebidded the 444. Right when we did that on this candle here, that's when I got long. That's when I posted on Discord. I'm long 5 contracts. Now, the SPY continued to skyrocket. That's right here. This is the contract that I was working with. So when I got in at 72 right here, I just wrote it up. I took some profit off the table and then, continued to sell into this move. Scaling out is a very good way to trade these options, because if you're someone that, keeps leaving a ton of money on the table, you have the direction right, you have the trade right, but you're just leaving too much money on the table. Take a couple more contracts. Like I said, I took 5 contracts here for $350. It's not like I put $350,000 into this trade. I bought 5 contracts and I was able to scale out. Right here, I'll just show you guys one more time how I scaled out. I took my first profit here at 80, 82, 90, 99, and then my last one out at $1.10. That is a great scale out. This is what you want to see. This is why I left some of these contracts going longer, so I can, make more money on the trade. Instead of being upset that I left too much money on the table, I was able to capitalize by not scalping all my money right here, but by taking more time and letting the trade play out and scaling out one contract at a time. So that worked really, really well today. And right here, I wrote 5 contracts, scaling out. I'm telling everyone 2 minutes into my trade what I'm doing. And by the way, my chart on Webull was not working this morning, and either was Eric's. So I quickly brought up Thinkorswim. It's always good to have, multiple brokers at your fingertips, because the chart was not working on Webull, which was very difficult to trade. So I was looking at Thinkorswim at the same time, flipping over to Webull, and then that's, what happened here. And then Webull started to work again. And then I wrote here at 9:49, still holding 2 contracts. And that's what you guys see there at the end of this trade here, these 2 contracts here. So I made the most amount of money holding those last 2 contracts. Now, if I wasn't scaling out, I wouldn't have gotten that. So that was really, really great. A very nice way to start the week. So $100, 12 minutes, a very good way to start off a Monday, and a big, big earnings week. If you guys are interested in our Discord, right here, it's $99. That's it, one-time payment, and you're in for life. And you get all these channels that have the little lock on them. You have all of those unlocked for you. So $99, one-time payment, and you are in with us for lifetime. You're not going to be asked to pay any more money after that. So that's it for me, guys. $100, like I said, 12 minutes, and the Discord did very good today. So overall, the SPY is looking really good. All our trades are looking really good. Mara hitting $53 today at one point. I don't know what it closed at by the time you're watching this video, but we called this out at $39 7 days ago. $53 today. Just great. Everything has been very, very good inside this community. Very happy, very blessed, and very grateful. Thank you guys so much. Hit the thumbs up for the video, and I will see you back on the next one. Take care.